Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine. I'm back again, and today I'm going to add on to the front of my 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. My friends from EV Base sent me these trim covers that's going to go around the front fascia of my cars. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you what they look like. All right, to show you what they are, I got two pieces. You can get just one or the other, but I went ahead and got the full kit. Really, they're just, I got the matte black pieces here, and then it's going to go up around the front of the car. You're just going to use some adhesive promoter. Make sure you use this. First, you got to clean everything around there really good. Put on the adhesive promoter where the stickers are going to stick to. And then you just press them on, and you hold them on for 10, 20, 30 seconds, and they should stay on. So anyways, it's pretty good. It's hard plastic. Nothing wrong with them here. I like them. And I think my car is all white with black trim. So I really like that look. And I think this is just going to add a little bit more black trim on the front of my car. So anyways, let's get started on the install. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you clean this area really good. You don't want any kind of waxes or anything that's going to keep the 3M tape from adhering. So make sure you take care of all that area. Same thing over there. I know I still got a lot of bugs and stuff. I just got back from a trip. So I just cleaned it around here as well as I could. All right, so one of the first things you want to do is kind of line it up. Get an idea of where it's going to go. And this one's going to go somewhere about right here. Okay, and make sure you like where you're going to put it. And then what you're going to do is I want to put the adhesive promoter right in this area right here. I'm just going to wipe it on there like that. And I'm going to take off the stickers about halfway, and then I want to put it on here and then pull the rest of the stickers off so it all goes on there, and then I'm going to hold it on. So that's really all it's going to be. There we go. Do the next one. I just want to make sure I'm holding on because this stuck up a little bit right here. It came out just a hair, not by much. So I just want to make sure I put a lot of extra pressure right in this area. And that's really where that adhesive promoter is really going to come into play, because it'll really help it hold on good. Okay, so I went ahead and added a little bit of tape on here just to help adhere this a little bit better on the ends, because I was noticing it was starting to come off a little bit, so I think it needs to stay on there. And the weather is not very hot right now, so I think that might have a little bit to do with it, but that should stay on. All right, do the other side. Same thing. I'm gonna line this up, make sure where I'm gonna put it, just like that. See where I want to put my adhesive promoter. All right, got that one done. All right, got this one installed. Looks pretty good. All it really does, it just adds a little bit more trim color to the front of my car, and it kind of goes along with my Fang front lip I already have installed. But I'll show you a picture of it here in a second. But yeah, I think it all blends in pretty good. It all looks good. You can see right here I got that Fang lip on there, and it kind of just goes along with it. Looks pretty good, I think. Show you a little bit of different angles here. Not bad. I like it. Adds a little bit more black and stuff to the front. I like it. Well, I got them both on. Took those pieces of tape off. It's sticking pretty good now. And like I said, it goes along with my front lip, the Fang style. They also call these things the Fang lip, whatever, some kind of covers on there. Can't remember the exact name, but you know, it looks pretty good going all the way around there. Just adds to the view of the front of the car, and I kind of like it. It's not too hard. It's not hard at all to install. and it adds a little bit more something, a little bit more color, I guess, to the front of the car. Well, there you guys go. It's not too hard to install, pretty easy. It looks good. Once again, this is from EV Base. If this is something that you're interested in, I'll have the link down in the description that you can go straight to it and get it from their website. Make sure you use my discount code to save some money. And guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, oh well. I just try to show things, how easy it is to install things, and what it looks like on my 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper. Anyways, guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Peace.